Hey guys, this is Harshal. Welcome to BRO&SIS. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a gaming icon on a website called canva.com. Link will be in the description. This is the best website to edit videos and photos. So today I'm going to show you how you can make a gaming profile easily. So first let's go to canva.com. Yeah, here I have first signed in. Yeah, as you can see here my photo. So yeah, so let's get started. So first thing first, uh, you have to first, let me just move this. Yeah, so this is our channel art, this is our profile, this is Mridula's My Duties Beauty channel, this thumbnail, this is our trailer, both are our trailers. So let's get started. Now first thing first, what you have to do is go on logos and choose any logo, like any logo. Now let it just come. So yeah. Now this is now you will see that we are making ghost. I mean, we're not ghost, like gaming. This gaming profile. So what you can do is go here and delete this all. You can go or delete this all. Yeah. Now what you have to do is go on a background. Here you can see at the last. So here you will get many backgrounds. So let me just think of some names of my gaming channel, means my gaming profile. So I'll keep it as Ghost. Yeah, Ghost Gaming. So let's keep the background as this. It will show. Yeah. So now it's looking nice. Yeah, this is looking nice. Now what will go in elements and choose a icon from here. I'll just type gaming. Yeah. So now many gaming logos have game. Let's choose one. Okay. I'll just stop recording for a minute. So yeah, guys. So I didn't get any of the nice gaming logos. So what I did is just made myself logo. So for making it, you have to need a pro of it. So yeah. Now next thing next, you have to go on text and select whatever text you want. So now I'm going to choose this both text. So for ghost, I'll choose this. This text is nice for ghost. I'll just write there ghost and move it up right here. Ghost. Right here. Yeah. And now next from here, I'm going to write Ghost Gaming. Gaming. Now you will see that. Wait. Ga- Gaming. Yeah. So now you will see that it's not fitting in our page. So what you have to do is make it small and then make it straight. Yeah. So now it's fitting. So now what we'll do is here we keep giving at the downside. Now the in the middle you have to go in photos, and then here you can do right at gaming. Okay, then here you will get many pictures. So yeah, so now you can get. Okay, so first let's type uh ghost ghost gaming. Nothing came, so let's okay. So now we'll do nothing. So now again here we have got gaming. So what I'm going to do is get the this, keep it some small, yeah, and then keep it right here, yeah, up as goes, okay, and then keep this, make small, and keep it right here. So guys, comment down below how it's looking. And now I'm going to show you some next this what we say next website from again we are going to make gaming profile. So the website name is uh, photo photo p photo p yeah photop.com. I'll give the link in the description. Yeah, yeah, re- yeah. Yep. So now you have to click on like yeah. Uh, so now you can click on logos at the side. Now my logos are coming. Wait. Yeah. Okay. So here are some logos. So let's see some gaming logos. Gaming. Okay. Wait a minute. So okay, so now there are many logos. Okay, so I got one for gaming. Wait, yeah, how about this? So guys, it's coming. I'll just request it. Wait, yeah. So from here you can get some. So now I'll just cut this. Yeah. So from free templates also you can get, and from new project also you can get. So I'll go on new project. Okay, new project. Oh, something happened. Oh, some error came. I think. Wait. Okay. It's solved. Yeah. So go on new project. Free templates is also like new project, but free templates you can't write what you want on it. So let me just find for something for like gaming, host gaming like that. Uh, uh, so guys, same thing here. I didn't got any templates for gaming, so I made one gaming template. So here it's so here will write your host game gaming. I will make it in okay. So let's take this uh, uh, okay. Okay, I got an idea. Let's cut this all. Okay. And text right here. I'll write ghost. This all in cap okay. Ghost. Yeah, ghost now. I'll just select this all. I'll make the color black. Yep. Okay. And just move it right here. Okay. Uh, then I'll keep the I'll keep my this ghost array. Wait a minute. Yeah. So I'll keep my ghost language as preview. Yeah, this is good. So yeah, this, and now down I'll write right here gaming. Again same mistake pattern. Gaming and move it here. Done. This is my second goals gaming. Now, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.